Wasn't even typing. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right, so we got Euro close. Trying to see how the market's going to do today. Uh, Hoping to get some live options trade in today. All right, so taking a look at it, I do have a 627 0 DTE on the SPY. As long as we stay cross, I'm going to hold it. But I'm going to hold it. But if we end up like coming above this right here, I'll cut out. All right, with that being said, let me get the poll in. Then we got, oh, hold up. Hey, top of the morning, Philip. So I grabbed a put on the SPY, but I mean it's still like fine right now. But we're moving slow, volume's low. So my play here is, I guess if we end up coming above resistance, I'll try to like look to try to ride it up, see if it does anything. But otherwise, I'm just gonna like kind of hold my put. Lucky J, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Yo, happy Friday. I was kind of wait, what was I looking at this morning? I was looking at AMD. Hold up. Let's come to a lower time frame. I think I was looking at AMD. I was looking at Robinhood. And I was looking at, what was the other one? Palantir. Oh, Palantir already did what I was kind of calling for it to do. It can still go more, but yes, Philip, that's what it was. Weird. But I may be getting out of it here pretty soon. We'll see. We'll see. Tyler, good morning. Levi, top of the morning. You think Netflix is going to make a comeback, or will it? Oh, we'll have to see. I don't. Netflix has tested the full range. I really have no idea. I didn't like pay close enough attention to their earnings. They do have pulling back that they need to do. So I don't know about short time or today, but like I'm gonna be real. My analysis for Netflix is will not be any help for you. But it's like I think they'll pull back. I think it's a good slowdown for them if they're doing it right now. But Netflix is also the kind of stock that'll, it may be pulling down right now. Nothing else will happen. Maybe you'll get some just random analyst upgrades, and then boom, it takes off. So Netflix, I don't know. Long term, it'll go up. I think it still needs to make a pullback, but no idea there, honestly. Let's see. Jamie, good morning. Thank you for calling. Out SPY yesterday. Today, I made money. I made 20% return, and this morning did a quick. Hey, good stuff. And top of the morning, Naomi. Top of the morning. Lucky J with the crystal. Hey, I wish. I wish. Hey, what's up, money team? Money team. Hey, what's up, Lakeram? Hey, top of the morning. Hey, that star looks good on you, man. Hey, smash the like on the way in. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, make sure to smash that like. So, just so everyone knows, I am holding a 627 0 DTE. Nothing is going to come of that at this rate. I think I got in probably like honestly around like the 627 like 50 or 60 level, around like 9:15 Central Time. and it's just kind of consolidated. But me looking at the bigger picture, I'm still seeing that reasons I'm still like holding. I'm still seeing like it's early enough in the day so where it can do like still move considerably. It is still kind of holding a downtrend for now. This is like kind of the first like real pullback to the upside. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, so actually, if I had looked at this as an acceleration to the downside, looking to the same way I look for sweeps of liquidity, this actually could be one that continues the trend right here. So if I were looking for it, this would actually be kind of good, depending on how this candle and the next one kind of looks. As long as they're not too crazy, should be good to still ride it. Question is like when it's moving this slow, like how far can I really ride it? But as of right now, it's looking good. It's looking good. So I'm gonna keep riding that. Actually might be like down from when I bought in on it right now. Let me see. Yeah, I'm down. I bought in like 60 something. It's 50 cents right now. But it's not anything I'm gonna average into. Frank, top of the morning. Hey, big star, big star. How's the Weeble call looking? How is Weeble looking first off? I try not to. Oh, shoot. Okay. I didn't know Weeble was up like that. Okay. It's probably looking good. I hadn't even looked at that portfolio today. Hey, give me a moment. Give me a moment. Wow. Weeble trying to pop like that. Wow, let's go. Let's go. All right, let's see. Let's see. It's not up like too crazy. But overall up like 48% from where we bought it. But got some time on it. I think I have it on a watch list of my wife's account too. Let's see if we can take a look at it real quick. Let's see. Do we have it in here? Oh, here we go. All right, so I'm not sure if this was added at the exact same price. Let's see. This is added at, so those are added a little lower. So this one's doing a little better, but this is the option contract that he's talking about. So I mean, it's up. Once it gets in the money, that's when we'll really start seeing it move. But good thing is we got some time on it now. So if Weeble wants to kind of do stuff, that's cool. But yeah, that's good. I like that. Like that. Appreciate the heads up, Tyler. I'm like, why is this? I'm over here thinking, I'm like, why is this man talking about Weeble right now? What's Weeble doing? But Weeble is, hey, that's a good move. Let's actually zoom out on the charts. See what it's looking like now. I see we got the cross on the 15. See we got the cross up on the 30. Yeah, we crossed up on the 1 hour. Yeah, we crossed up on the 4 hour. We're looking good. What we looking like on the daily? We haven't crossed up on the daily yet, but yeah, we're getting close. All right, let's see. Also, top of the morning. Yeah, be sure to smash the like button. Hey, no lurk zone, no lurk zone. Here, let me also come look at Robinhood going strong. D Scurv, good morning. You said Red Friday? Honestly, I'm hoping. The volume's not too crazy though. But yeah, it's red for now. Red for now. Hey, just keep swimming, Lucky J. Just keep swimming. Ain't no lurk zone though. All right. Yo, it's Friday. I want Google to bleed. Yeah, we could use a little discount on Google. Here, let me real quick before. Why is this line so thick? That's a thick line. But let's see. Where's Google at? Where we at? Oh, there we go. So I will say Google just got above this previous supply zone. I mean, it's not really pushing very strong, so let's see if there's any. It is, well, so it got above the supply zone. There is a lot of resistance in this area, so it could sell off. Let's see. It is I guess depending on the time you have on it, it's still up here pretty like overbought, or it's like in that overbought area, so it's like a swing on this to the downside. It could I think it could do well. Honestly, it could even do it today too. I think there's money there. Too bad. Hit the like button on the way in, fam. Oh yeah. If y'all miss out on smashing the like button, y'all have no excuses. Lucky J is making sure we all know the like button is a thing, and it wants to be smashed. It wants to be hit. It wants to be pressed. It wants to do its little dance it does when you press it. Yeah, go on, smash that like button. All right, let's see. It's not happening yet. No, yeah. That's something they like to do. And what's another thing they like to do is make it look like something's gonna happen today. Hold out, and then it'll happen another day. So we'll have to see. They definitely like to burn the theta out on the contracts. Just picked up the 0DT SPY put 628. Okay. Yeah, here's hoping they don't push up anymore. Gonna be on it today. Hey, appreciate that, Lucky J. And I have this theory that Lucky J is gonna be hogging the number one spot today, and no one's gonna catch him. All right, I did a super low risk XO input the other day, and it went up. Hey, nice, nice. That's what we like to hear, Naomi. That is what we like to hear. Wait, what is it? Sorry, but not sorry. Hey, no need, no need. Why would you? Why would you be sorry? Didn't expect anything to happen. Hey, those are the best pleasantries. I think something I told people in college, and I still think it's a good way to live. I'm not saying like, yo, your expectations should be low for everything, but low expectations and high hopes, yo, great life. Life is great. You go in, yo, no expectations. You have your hopes high, so you're still good energy, but it's like you go in with your expectations to the floor, and when you step in there, you're like, wow, this is amazing. So, it's nice. Honestly, it makes you a lot more pleasant to be around too. It's like, I don't have any expectations, and it's like, oh wow. I don't know. So let's Hood like popped up this morning. I had looked at it and I was like, yeah, I might trade them today, but does not look like the case right now just because they already kind of pulled back a little bit this morning. Yes, come on. Anella, good morning. The battle is on. Catch me, let's go. Oh yeah, I'm not sure y'all catching Lucky J. Tough to catch. SoFi on the pullback. Yeah, SoFi kind of did his thing this morning too. Let's see. Oh yeah, yeah, saw a little pullback. They pulled back to the 13 EMA though, so we'll see. Honestly, I may have to get out of the SPY play. Like the volume is so low. Can we avoid Alcatraz? Hey, we did it yesterday. We did it yesterday. And I don't think we had more than like 60 or 70 people on it. I think it was like, I think we topped out like 60 yesterday at a time, but I guess like people come through and like cycle in and out. So, we avoided Alcatraz. They're not even putting the bounty on us right now, but they said we might have to start. Grand Rising slept till 10 and clearly missed out on my SoFi call this morning. I'm not losing money, but I have no fear. My faith is still, hey, good stuff. Yeah, SoFi, what did they pop up to? They popped up to 22.73. Okay. Y'all, I hear my wife she's in the zone right now. Hold on, I'm gonna have to step back here real quick. Wait, hold on. Low volume across the board except for a few. Fearless. Yeah, everything, the volume has like, everything, there was like a fat pop of volume this morning. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like tapering off hard. All right, this might end up being my decision. Candle right here might get kicked out. Looking for the low today on Palantir 150. Hope it hits for a buy in on calls. Yeah, I didn't get to bed until 5 a.m. last night. Oh, probably would have had around. Oh, that's wild. Bro. And let me see if I can. I mean, this kind of was an area of support. Bro, why are my lines so thick? Turn that down. This is also an area of resistance too. Yeah, we'll see how we do here. Smash the like button. Appreciate you, Sarah. We gotta stay free. Probably should have bought on the mini dip Palantir. Let's see. Oh, Palantir. Oh, it's moving again? Okay. I'm just over here like, I wanted to, like at open, kind of take a dip or a pullback. Because you see where we are in the range. But also, it's like, yo, it can push the range and like kind of end thing. Bro, it's crazy how low our volume is right now. It's like I might have to flip in, get a call too. Respect that VWAP spot. Lucky J on a mission. Yes, sir. Hey, he said today is his day for number one. Bull keep on surprising me. Honestly, I'm surprised it came as low as it did on the cool. But yeah, Weeble, yo, took off. All right. What's going to be the consensus? Well, we still got 9 minutes on this candle, but let me look at the activity. Oh, wrong chart, wrong chart. Hit the like button on the way in, family. Yeah, I think Lucky J got that gap looking good. It's only a gap of two. Only two noted lurkers at the moment. Thank you all. So far, so good. My question: who's number two? Oh, we got Naomi at the number two. Honestly, today might just be a leave it kind of day. Might have to look for a swing instead. Yeah, I might have to roll into something else, or just cut what I have and swap to something else. Is this? Oh, this is about to be the end of the 4-hour candle. So I don't know if this candle ends. If this candle somehow closes like above 28.50 on the 4-hour, then we know where liquidity is and we know where to buy for the next kind of way up. But yeah, I wanted to look at I wanted to look at the options analytics real quick. Bro, we got too much volume on the 628 and 627. Honestly, they might just keep it there. I think I'm gonna have to close mine out. Okay. Open is looking pretty good. Have you checked it out? Oh, that looks fun. Yeah, it's kind of going crazy. What's the history like on this? Oh. Oh no. Okay. No, I have not checked it out. All right, let's see. Waiting patiently for these to move again. Feel like there's going to be a sellout this evening. Yeah, I could see that this evening. It's like, honestly, I might. Yeah, I'm probably about to get on out though, cause otherwise it's just gonna eat my contracts. Wait, let me. I'm gonna still wait for confirmation. I'm gonna stick to the plan. But they're making me feel like I need to get on out. Like we're still crossed down and we haven't confirmed above, but This was not like a high quality trade that I took. I think I think what I initially did was I think maybe on the 5 minute. Think like after this candle, we had like confirmation on the 5 minute, and I just jumped in. That's why I'm in that contract. But it wasn't like the highest of quality setups. I love Friday contract. I have a love hate relationship with them. Some Fridays we go crazy, others we go lazy. I don't know, and we do nothing. Dang, Netflix pulling back. That's where the that's where the real money was. Yeah, when volume. That's what they do. Yes, sir. When volume is there, it's great. Yep. But yeah, when you don't see volume, it's not. All right, 15 looks better than the 5 right now on the SPY. Oh, good morning, Weeble. At least we got a win there. Oh, all right. Still trying to. Oh, hold up. Let me get my little Fibonacci on. Let me see what the retracement level is for this. Or oh, so we can still look for a break and retest maybe. It's a day like 11. It's crazy. Let me see what the price action was looking like at open. What? So we opened right here. Honestly, wasn't even like an obvious move. All right, so it looks like we got consumer sentiment and then started selling off, right? We got consumer sentiment and inflation expectations, and we sold off. That kind of pushed us down. What would be a good entry for Google? What direction are you trying to trade Google? I would say like wherever support or resistance is. You said long. Hmm. Think it depends on where you're trying to get in, but when it pulled back to 183 this morning, that was a good area. Um, Below that, maybe like 182. Also have some liquidity over here at oh, that was a sweep. So I would say next like larger area, like 180. Really kind of depends. The uptrend is kind of strong, so looks like this 183.50 kind of 183.80 kind of area. Do you fly? Yo, I'm gonna be real. What is this ranking system? It does not make sense to me. They got yo, it makes no sense. They got Lucky J number 2, Naomi number 3, D Fly number 1. Actually, y'all are all tied. Y'all are all tied for even Philip and D Scurv. Y'all are all tied for number 1. It's like a 5-way tie. So I don't know how it's throwing people around, but hit the like button on the way in, family. It's comments and taps, I think. Yeah, we're gonna have to decipher this, cause it is not making any sense. It does not make sense to me. But let's see. But it's wild. Y'all only have like, I think it moves up in 25-point increments. Y'all all have 75 points. Let's see. Is liquidity sweep a sign of a reversal? Yes. So I think we may have the time right now for me to explain kind of why that happens. Because the deeper, you know, when you understand why something happens, things make a lot more sense. So a lot of times you will see things like, I don't know, double bottoms or double tops and whatnot. Here, let's. I'm trying to see if I can just see one that's just like right here for y'all, just in action. Here, let's see what Palantir is looking like on the 4-hour. I don't necessarily, no. I don't necessarily like see, wait. I don't necessarily see something that's just like purely obvious, but no. Wait, get it, fam? For what open? D-Fly, what do you mean for what open? I've got no idea. See, that volume is crazy. IDK. Thank you for the like so far. Yeah, we doing all right. Staying true to this put, looking for the spice out. Hey, it hasn't like invalidated itself yet, so yeah, I'm still in it too. Central Florida Street Glide. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. All right, so I'm gonna try to like draw up like a little situation. Here, we'll use the chart for the cues right now. I'll try to draw up a little liquidity sweep situation. All right, so typically when you, oh wait, wrong thing. Typically when we get a sweep of liquidity, or all right, so here I'm gonna like draw like a kind of like bogus chart. So you got the stock. Sometimes you'll see it do stuff like this, and you might see this or this. I don't know, just drawing random. But then just out of nowhere, you get a move like this, and it's usually after you have like a large run or some so like this. It'll do some pulling back, before it kind of like say all these candles are black, or I don't say it's down before it starts either moving sideways again, or maybe it'll push higher a little bit. But anyways, whenever this happens, every time you make like a large push, that first low usually it's going to come with like a wick, like a big wick, kind of like this, or maybe a small, so it can be smaller too, but that wick, that's going to be liquidity. So usually when you get the liquidity, that's going to be something you want to target, because first thing that you'll see and notice is like with the liquidity, you'll think like, hey, it pulled back to this level, but there were a lot of buyers and the price pushed back up very quickly. So oftentimes after you get that, you will, what you should be thinking whenever you see that it's at this level is like, yo, there are buyers here, and there are a lot of them, enough to where they're pushing it up quickly. Look at that, we're selling off again. We'll see. Let's see if we can make a new low. But with that being, you said QUBT put. I have a hard time grabbing puts on that personally. I grab calls. I mean, it's trending down. It's kind of in the same situation as a SPY. So if you would feel comfortable in SPY puts, QUBT puts could be set as well, but they're both like they're cross to the downside. They're both low volume. So it's like, yeah, if you like QUBT, it's like there is some level of validity there. I would say like if it comes to like 1846 though, I would heavily consider taking profits. That's all I would say about the QUBT put. Wait, okay. After Donald Trump signs the bill at 2:30, will the SPY move? I have no idea. Like, unfortunately, I can't tell the future. And it's like people are able to spin things both ways. It could be positive, it could be negative, and it's like it could go up, it could go down. It's like whatever the market wants to focus on is ultimately going to determine which way we go. So unfortunately, I cannot tell you. 48th like, appreciate you, M-Sense. Say, here we go. They might be teasing us, Philip. But back to the lesson. All right. So yeah, we had this run up. We tried to pull back. We tried to, like, people were trying to take profits, but all the profit taking from the run, once it pulls back to this level, it quickly gets bought up. So oftentimes, no matter where we go, we could end up coming back here. We could like make new highs. Oftentimes, when you come back to sweep the liquidity, sometimes it'll be like a quick move past, or sometimes it'll be like right above liquidity. We saw that on the SPY the other day, or it'll be like right at liquidity. This will often send us higher, usually at least to where it was beforehand. But yeah, it'll often send us to the top of the range or whatnot, just because there are so many buyers like here waiting. You said, what's the strike price for the put? I got a 627. So if nothing happens, that's going to end up expiring worthless. So it would need to move down. Lucky J with all the hands. At Lucky J, they got you in number 2 now. Well, y'all are all in number 1, but it just has to choose who y'all are giving or who's getting what, I guess. Can I get the crown? I'm gonna say, what's up, my good people? Oh no, I didn't get a crown. Am I on the list? I gotta see if I'm on the list. What if I give myself some hearts? Or throw myself some hundreds? Make some faces. Yeah, just go crazy with it. Alright, let's see. Yeah, what happened to, oh, there we go. Yeah, we're pulling on back. Hey, we got at least one lurker around. April, good morning, good morning. All right, the lurker is gone. Lurker is gone. They got scared. Oh yeah, I don't see myself on the list. I guess there's a top 25. Did you have a happy birthday, April? Yeah. Weeble, man. Let me see. It hasn't really moved up more, but it's cool. Won't be mad if it wants to do this a few more times. That 48 like. Yo, it led to about six more. I think people were inspired by your work, in sense. Well, okay, hold on. I did ate some good seafood. That boiling crab, delicious. Hey, that sounds delightful. Sounds delightful. Well, that's what's up. It's the reason hey, not all heroes wear capes. Hit the like button on the way in, family. Yeah, we got two lurkers. Two lurkers that need a little inspiration. I need to figure out how to get like animations on here. I got like one of those little trending. Big time appreciate you, family. Lucky J. Oh, we send the little hearts. Let me see if I still have Derive. I might pull it up on the little side stream screen. Let's see. Yeah, I got it. Hey, let me show y'all. Oh, this is for a swing. Oh, it's talking about a swing for a QQQ put. Oh, it's still talking about UNH puts. Just showing y'all. This doesn't. These kind of go against each other. SQQQ put, and then you see a QQQ put. And they're both swings. So I'm confused, but hey, it is what it is. I have a hard time charting due to the fact that I'm in prison. I don't have access to a computer, and I have to sneak to check my progress. The Don, is this real? I have so many questions. If that's real. But one thing I will say is, have you liked that like button from prison? And would you like to go to El Salvador? That's wild. Yeah, I got so many questions. Kai, hey, what's up? Welcome. Welcome to the party. Hey, better late than never. I have got to stop accepting losses and ignoring profits. I get on my nerves. Hey, I do the same thing sometimes. Hit the like button on the way in. I'd like to go to Mexico. Naomi, do you know about El Salvador? You said how is it on YouTube in prison? Man, that's one of my questions. That's one of my questions. But that's hey, I mean, it's cool. Hey, hustle, hustle, hustle how you got to. And so many questions. Down $10, was up 60. Gotta accept. At least take the loss while in profits. Nope, not a silch, zero. Yo, Don, if you're in prison and you got a phone, bro, on the cool, if you can like hide your identity, bro, you can probably make a lot more, like just doing social stuff than trading. Cause we you come through, you answer some questions, bro. Everybody, bro, you will get so much attention. Attention is where the money is on the cool. Uh, but on the cool, like I had like somebody that was my friend growing up. I know he had went to jail. Like and he was like somehow on Instagram and like posting and sending DMs. I'm like, yo, isn't this man in jail? I'm like, yo. So I just like I guess it's a thing, but I I I cannot comprehend. They can get on the computer in prison now. I hear there are PlayStations even. That's wild. Like, honestly, I know people who would try to go to prison if that's what it's like. They have tablets now. I do that. My cousin. Oh, oh okay. Hey, that's cool. I need coffee. Need coffee. Hey, so I'm someone that's scared to like anything strong on caffeine. I'm like scared to do that. I'd be a little scared to get to the point where I like need it. But there, low key, there are probably in moments, times when I'm like, yo, I need something. But Naomi, have you? I don't know if you live with people, but it's like if you're on your own, sometimes like a good little like Ric Flair, yo, it'll wake you up. It'll get you going. Get the endorphins pumping. Just give like a little woo, like not a weak one like I just did. I'm not trying to like mess up y'all's ears and like also start on my wife. But a solid Ric Flair, it'll wake you up. Get the blood pumping too. Attention is the 100%. Yeah, if any of y'all wanna make some real money, just hey. I mean, don't give up who you are, but it's like yo, you be silly online. Yeah, you'll get some attention. Likely some money to follow too. Yeah, I mean it's crazy to us. It, I would think I would think the Don might have some level of notoriety if he has access. I might not want to mess with the Don on the cool. I don't know. It might be well connected. But I think one thing's for sure. The Don is not in El Salvador. That is for sure. All right, there was a guy here Literally did random shots at the gas station when the police arrived. He begged them to send him to prison. It was wild. He wanted life. No, yeah, it's like, oh, okay, we're coming down. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. We need to make progress down though. That's it's like we don't want to just come down. But no, yeah, I've seen like there are some places. Hold up, 1 second. My wife texting me. But yeah, there are some people who yeah, there are legit people who do things just to go to prison. Hit the like button. Oh yeah, be sure to smash the like button. We're doing great. Hey, shout out to Lucky J reminding. I've got a big battle tonight on TikTok. Can't how does that work out? Means more brokerage account funds. How do the TikTok battles work? How yeah, let me know. I got questions about that too. Yeah, I might start some content. Don't know how or where, but I'll think about it. Hey, if it's not anything that you'll get in trouble for, yo, I do not mind like just kind of helping jog up some ideas while we're here on stream. Sell-offs, Bears come back. I mean, hopefully, we'll see. They might just be playing with us. This might be the range for the day. Money, money. You said I lost my spot. Let's see. It was like a big yo. It's a 10-way tie for first place. So I think the oddly enough, I think the cheat code might be commenting later. We got Amanda. We got April, and who else? What's the name? It shows a different name. We got no. Where is it at? Oh, D Fly. They're in the top three. That's who it shows for the top three. All right, let's see. Where we go? Wait, hold up. Where? Okay, though. You're a spy good now. We're doing awesome. You go against other creators. Your team versus theirs. Like I said, my team is small but mighty. Interesting. Emerson is trying. He said, "How do you get in first place?" I don't think it's comments alone. I don't know. So I think, oh, from what I'm gathering, I think you can get. I think one comment can give you 25 points, but I don't think commenting more is going to give you more points. I think if you press the little heart button, I think that'll give you another 25. I think if you press the like if you smash the like button, that might give you another 25. And I don't know if there are any other ways to interact with this, but if there are, then it's like you might get more points. But I think that's how it works. I don't know how to tag on here. So if you do like if you type the at sign and then just type someone's name, like if I type in at and then I type your name, or it just pops up for me. You'll probably like that chat I just sent. You'll probably see your name highlighted in yellow. Let's check in, see how this spy is doing. Okay, so it's about back. It's about the price it was when I bought it now. Let's see. What is a TikTok battle battling exact? We're getting a little movement. A little movement. Can we get a new low? But yeah, that's a good question. What is a TikTok battling? Exactly. That's a great question. I want some big sales movements. I pray maybe it'll happen. Let's see. And we'll see. Let's see if we can make a new low. So that's the new low right there. So we went in the money for like a moment. I was wondering what the crown was for. What are we doing? The crown is I don't know. YouTube like just started doing that about a week ago. Oh, okay, hold up. Okay, we getting a little more movement on this. Okay, let's wait. Let me come down to a 5 on this. All right, let's see. Is this what is called trading sideways? I would say this right here, like what was going on. Yeah, that was sideways trading. Um, if it starts to move down more now, that's not trading sideways. But I don't know. Just kidding. I don't care. I need these profits to rise. What are you watching to get in? So I'm in a put on the SPY, but honestly today, like it right now, it's looking like, oh, hold up, we got like the volume is actually going up too. That's good. Yeah, we actually got a little volume from that. But yeah, I've been in a put on the SPY, battling nothing really. It's gifting your team. Tries to gift and tap more than the other team. Interesting. Yeah, these crowns and numbers are popping up on the live chats, trying to drum up conversation. I mean, hey, I would say it's working. I would say it's working in a sense. We've been like, yo, how do we get these spies finally doing what it should have done? All right, let's see. I'm hoping this isn't a sweep right here. I mean, we're at a level of support. Let me get rid of this. I don't know what this is. Don't need that. Yes, that is what they're for. Okay. Which is better, cash or margin? It depends on you. It depends on your situation. Depends on the way you trade. I personally prefer margin because you're able to do more with it. But if you have less money in your account, um, and you want to day trade, cash accounts may be for you. Most people with less than 25K in their account will prefer that, unless you're trying to like swing trade and stuff. Who got my number one spot? April has it. Hustle Hard Realtor. Wait, how do you get number one? So right now it just looks like you come in later. Like it's like everyone who has 75 points. Here, let me show y'all real quick. I'm not sure y'all can see this, but right here on the side of the screen right here, this is it right here. Notice like the top 11 people have 75 points. I think to get up there, it's like the people who came into. Wait, hold up, Big Reg is up here now. Okay, forget what I was about to say. That just completely invalidated it. I have no idea. No idea. Yeah, disregard what I was saying. Oh, Naomi. Okay. Hey, that's one way to do it. Hey, yo, hey. I think she took the top spot. There we go. How many? Hold up. Let's see. Let's see how it affected it real quick. All right, y'all. There you go. She has 85 now, and now has stolen the crown. Okay, YouTube is trying to play some engagement games. I see. Let's see. Thanks, Naomi. Had to steal the crown. Figured out how. Oh, this is wild. This is it's like a almost like a. Oh, dang. Are y'all not able to see the points? That low key gave him a lot of points. I don't think anybody's catching up to that. That's wild. Let me just show y'all real quick. That gave him a lot of points. That's wild. Crazy. All right, let's say let's get this. Oh, I almost accidentally sold out. Let me see what we're looking like on the 15. Oh, hold up. I got the comments hidden. My bad. On GY, we can see it now. That's how to do it. Plus, it gives you more money to do this. It gives you more money? It gives you more money to do this. Literally like TikTok. What do you mean by that when you say it gives you more money? Hi, mate. I'd highly recommend you switch over to swaps. So I've used it before. It's highly intensive on the RAM. Um, I'm personally not a fan of it. Or it's like I used to use it back in the day, but I'm not a fan of it. Also, it's like very common that Thinkorswim, not Thinkorswim, what is like TD Ameritrade, their employees on multiple occasions have they sell like their clients' data like on like kind of sketchier sites, so I just prefer not to use it. All right. You get paid more to do your lives. Oh, I mean, yeah, that's about how much I make to do a live, like what y'all just donated. So thank y'all. Yeah, I can end the live now. That's it for the day. Thank y'all. Peace out. No, I'm kidding. But let's see. If people give you makes it actually worth doing so. Gift it up, y'all. Everyone send $1. Like this spot. You said no. Alright, yeah, we're selling off. Have to stay now. Yeah, we'll be here for the allotted time or the allotted profits. I would honestly I can see actually I'm not sure if I can. I want to slide this up X more now. So what I was targeting for the SPY was this 13 EMA on the 4 hour, but on the cool, dang, they keep moving it. I'm gonna take a sacrifice for y'all. Maybe what's going on? Oh, I'm doing this in the wrong spot. All right. So I just sold out my SPY contract for $1 per share. All right. So yeah, I took profit on it. Let me alert the family real quick. I'm out of it. I was trying to ride the 626, but I don't want to get caught in a quick wick. It didn't fall at the pace I wanted it to. Honestly, it could fall and go crazy to the downside today, but I'm cool with what I just got. Let me share that with the family real quick. Just took profit on SPY puts sold out at $1 per share. There we go. All right, now I can look for a potential swing. It's like I don't have the comfort of being in these zero DTEs all day. All right, real quick, real quick. Oh no. Hold on 1 second. Oh, that is the wrong. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to send the right picture. All right, let's see what's popping. All right, let's see. Naomi's trying to catch up. Let's go. Let's go sell people. Bills need paying. Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. Everyone work interrupting my trading time. Exxon moving finally. Pam, I did Exxon earlier this week. $33. Hey, that's solid. Once again, very, very solid trade with that. Got a QUBT put up 23. Hey, that is nice. And then, but it's a swing. I see you're rewatching Palantir. Your thoughts on it? So I liked Palantir to start, but like it kind of made the move that I was wanting it to move already. So it's kind of like I don't know how I feel about it. I'm just watching it right now. Also, like same with Robinhood. I was looking at them to start. Honestly, SPY might be go for upside now. I don't know. I would like to see a SPY rant. That's on like some really short time frame kind of stuff though. Let's see. The bull leap is up 46%. I have one similar to you. Keep going, bull. Let's see. Yeah, mine is up. The one I bought is, if I bought it, I think I got it in around 150 instead of 133. But yeah, it's up good. It's up good. Get that money. Let's go. 50 cents to $1 daily. Today was massive. Hey, big Reg, you got a podcast tonight? Hey, well, that's crazy. We got some creators in here. We got some creators in here. We got Incense. We got Naomi. We got we got Big Reg. Hey, y'all don't hesitate to support each other. I entered a 0 DTE 562 QQQ call around support a couple minutes ago. I'm feeling massive. Let's see. Honestly, you said 562. Oh, kind of a little bit of distance, but also like if it's gonna run, like if it's gonna push more in a direction, it would push more up than it would down. I feel like we're range bound though. It's like I would go for another one, but I don't want to give up another day trade for a 0 DTE. Pamela Naomi, I don't think it's finished. Great group of people. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro, it's like psych. Lucky J, did you do something too? Did I miss it? Okay. All right, y'all. I need answers now. Y'all look at this. Let me slide this over. I don't know what he did, but Lucky J has 150. I don't know what happened, but somehow I don't know. I don't know what he did. Still trying to figure this out. I mean, he has sent a good amount of emojis. So commenting, amount of time on live, gifting. I don't know. No idea. Yeah, I just noticed Lucky J's in number 3, but I definitely think he's won on the amount of comments today. But because that's how it started out. But oh, it's crazy. I like if I'm being honest, I think we kind of found our range for the day. Um, One thing I'm not. I want to get some sort of swing for downside on like the indexes, but where we are right now, I don't necessarily think it'll just happen over the weekend. So it's like I think the swing might be from like a Monday or a Tuesday, like kind of swing. So it's like I don't feel like anything's just ready for me to take a swing on it. Like I saw a Palantir how it was yesterday. I was like, oh yeah, that'd be a good swing, but I didn't. Southern Magnolia, appreciate you. Now I gotta. Oh, now you're number 3. Okay, but it's crazy. You're tied with Lucky J. But hey, appreciate that. Oh, hold up. I'll slide that back over. It's crazy. Hold up, where the messages go? All right, wait, what are the points about? Honestly, I don't know. I think YouTube low key, I get emails from YouTube. I need to check. They probably there's probably an explanation somewhere. And I'll probably look for. I'll check my email here in a little bit. Once once I make sure everything's been read through. I'm number 11 must be my number. It's the same number of subs I have on my YouTube channel. The new 100 shameless pug who wants to be the 12th. I don't remember what number. I may have been like number 3. I would be the 12th if I wasn't already number 3, if I could. But points are for supporter and active users in the chat. All right, I'm about to see if I got an email. I low-key may have just overlooked it. YouTube is trying to get creators more benefits to keep going live. I love that they're doing it. It also provides the people in the comments section a reason to actually engage. I mean, yeah, it is nice knowing y'all are there. Especially sometimes I'll just be sitting here and I'll just be looking here. I'm yo, stocks are stocking, but they are not moving. And I'm is there anyone there? And it's okay, I see there are 58 people. I'm what are they doing? Are they eating? Are they, I don't know. It's kind of wild to think a little bit that I don't know, some of y'all could legit be in the middle of a workout right now. Or some of y'all could be in the middle of a sandwich. You could be out on a walk. You'd be out taking little Tyson out on a walk. I don't know. It's how can I find who's sub? I saw it before, but now I can't. So when it comes to who subscribed to you, you can only see the people who are subscribed who have their subscriptions public. So I don't think you'll be able ever see that I am subscribed to you, even though I am. But I think if you here, let me try to see it myself. Oh shoot. Hey, just hit 55K. Thank y'all. Let's see. Where's I don't even so I know on the YouTube studio section there's a area where you can I don't know, I feel like it's complicated if me describing it's complicated if it's not something you just see all the time. All right, we're still trying to possibly melt down a little bit, or I feel like this is it. I feel like we're gonna move sideways. Appreciate it. I'm gonna get more content up this weekend and close. Viewers earn points through various actions like chatting, sending super chats, and using super stickers. The leaderboard accessible via a crown icon in the chat ranks. Oh, I see the top 34. Hey, okay. I guess that's it. I guess it's the YouTube's. Yeah, it's YouTube Studio. So in the YouTube Studio, I see a section that says recent activity, and I can see members, and then there's another tab I can click on and see subscriber. Oh, that's crazy. What is? Oh, that's okay. I was about to. Oh, he has his public. Oh, that's wild. Okay. But yeah, the people that have their subscribers, who they're subscribed to public, you can see that they subscribed. So I can see. Really? Yo, I'm just now seeing Yo, there's somebody that's pretty large that's subscribed to me. Yo, he's been subscribed to me since 2020. That's crazy. Hold up.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
Yo. Oh, that's crazy. I had no idea. That's kind of wild. Okay. It's like some people reach out to me and then others don't. And it's like you really never know who is subscribed to you. Yo, who else is on here? That's crazy. Wait, who's this? Okay. All right. Yo, that's crazy. Okay. That's cool. All right. Back to it. Yeah, I think we're very, very range bound though. All right, I'm waiting for this evening to see if anything moves again. Yeah, maybe last. So me, well, I think Naomi. It's like yeah, it's like if we get a solid move, I think somebody said something about Trump signing something at the end of the day. It's like if we see things at some key levels, then it's like, yo, we might be able to move in on a swing or something. But as of right now, the way things are, nada. Hold up. I really like the way that UNH is moving though. I hope they continue to do this. Like if I catch them at if I catch them at what is it? Like 250, anywhere in that range, because they're heading back to this supply zone, or maybe even this trend line. I might have to think twice about the trend line, but yeah, if I catch them back down here at this like recent low, yo, I might go throw like 3K in there or something in the option contract. Top 3 viewers receive a special badge next to their name, potentially increasing their visibility to the creator. This gamified system encourages viewers to interact more. Stepped away for 5 seconds in Southern Magnolia, got my spot. Oh, it's a savage world out there. It's like the Hunger Games. I see D Scurv is a member, him and 2 others. One person I know personally, the other is Licks. Interesting. Oh, that's on your account. That's awesome. That almost makes me want to turn on like who I'm subscribed to, but I don't want to turn on who I'm subscribed to as well. So I'm gonna just, oh, that's crazy though. That is wild. Okay. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna need somebody to silence their car. Phil, what's up? From my phone, cashed out on that spy put, dip 50. Hey, good stuff. Hope you guys. Oh yeah, we got some. We got some. I took some profit. Do you think Hood will keep moving to the downside? Here, let's and based off the 4 hour, I can see Hood moving. Like I'm just targeting this 13 EMA that it's been like kind of riding. So I would think it could at least get back to like this 205 area. Honestly, it's been pretty solid all day. Yeah, that may have been one that could have even been acted. Well, actually, when we first got on, even Robinhood was still doing that like little consolidation that we were in on the SPY. But yeah, it's like if we look at the trend on it just for the day, Yo, it's pretty like it's probably gonna go to like being oversold on the 15, which might be right there about that like 105 area or 105, 106. We'll see. But I think it will move. Pamela, so you hear it too? Hey, well, thankfully it stopped, but it's crazy. All right, Spy trying to sell down a little bit more, but also still not too much going on there. Yo, my stomach's growling. I think it's like an hour till food time. Bread guy, good afternoon. Did you get any bread today? Still trying to look for a trade. And tell you if you took a short earlier in the day, that would have been some money. But yes, welcome, bread guy. Happy to have you back. So I took my trade today. Oh, what's Tesla moving again? Let's see what's up with Tesla. It's not moving crazy, but it's up. It's elevated. On the cool on the 4 hour, there appears to be like somewhat of a trend. Maybe something like this. Also, let me see what this would look like. Nah. But yeah, we'll see how Tesla does with this. So yeah, got that drawn on Tesla. Mr. December. Hey, top of the morning. Or good afternoon. Oh wait, we got a minute till afternoon. At least over here in Central Time land. But good day. Yeah, Hood keeps pulling on back. They're attacking. Oh, you're in California. Well, hey, good morning, Mr. December. Have you ever been on the calendar? Mr. December. Hey, I think Lucky J is doing a great job policing too. The likes are looking scrumptious. Oh, here let's look through, see what we got here. BMNRD dot. Hold up, I wanted to check back in. How is Lucid doing today? Okay, they're still holding. Yo, I think I got an eyelash in my eye. I may need to go to the bathroom. I might have got it. It might be good. Nah, I'm gonna go double check. Nah, we're good. I'm gonna use my phone. I think we're good. I enjoy how simple you make this look. What aspect? When you say how simple? Like, are you talking about the charts? Are you talking about the energy? I don't know. It's like because to me, the charts have honestly my charts have more on them than I would like them to have, but I find like all the information on them to be useful. How's everybody's day so far? It's pretty chill, pretty chill. It's a nice little morning. Earlier in the week, I was kind of not sure how I felt about the 10:30 start time, but I think I've been liking it. I've been appreciating the time I have in the mornings to kind of get stuff done. Yeah, it's been a good day for me at least. I don't know about y'all. I'm happy that the spy played out. Kind of got the. Did I? No, I didn't. I'm doing terrible. Try. Think so, in a sense. Slow day, one trade. Yeah. I mean, the day started out fast, but yeah, that's a Friday for you. Honestly, yo, shorts on it. Netflix would have. This is like the one day when you could have done shorts on Netflix too, because it's Friday and they're cheaper. Okay. Specifically, I seen a video basically giving me a crash course on options trading on the. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's yeah, that video, best performing video on the channel. I know exactly which one you're talking about. Yeah. I had different plans for that video. It was originally going to be called like, "Yo, how I make $100 a day trading options." But I read that chart wrong, and then I realized I read it wrong, and then it's like, I don't know, something in me. I looked and I was like, "Yo, oh no, it's still good." But no, I should have thought twice, but or maybe three times. But happy to say that video has well paid for like the little $200 I lost in that trade. So all good in the market, that is. Oh, in the market. Okay. Yeah, I missed the puts on the SPY. So I was actually in the puts on the SPY before the market before the stream started, but on the stream I did call out that like they were going for less than I bought them for, and then I was holding them. I usually use Thinkorswim, so it's a transition to Robinhood. I feel that. I think the only cool thing I like about Thinkorswim is like just being able to kind of like set your lines and have the ability to take profit just by sliding your lines to where you would like to take profit at. But beyond that, and then with the like options contract fees on Thinkorswim, I remember when I would look, I'd end up like spending like $300 in a month. But that I was trading a lot more, setting those levels. 24 to go. Let's go, lurkers. Hey, smash the like button. I use Robinhood Legend. I personally I do not. Let's just say that. But like there was a point in time when I probably would have. It just I am on TradingView. Let's see. Does it cost to use Thinkorswim? No, Thinkorswim is free aside from the charge for contracts. So, Robinhood, you pay like legally you have to pay like 3 or 4 cents for each trade. So, platforms like I think Moomoo, Webull, and Robinhood, that's going to be what you pay per contract. Whereas on Thinkorswim, I think it's about like 65 cents per contract. So if you get like 10 contracts, you're paying like $10. Can one set levels in Robinhood? You can set alerts, but I don't think you can like set. Well, you kinda can. So here, I got like a little playlist. Here, I can give you the rundown real quick. I'll like share this real quick. So I'm gonna make that like pin comment. But I got this playlist, right? I would say it's gonna show you most of the stuff you need. Real
In this
quick.
video,
Oh, hold up. All right, so rundown of the playlist. So this is a playlist. Ignore my face or don't. So this is like the first video. Well, first off, I want to show you the playlist. So the first one's how to trade stocks for beginners. What you're looking for you might kind of get what you're looking for in the like how to set an option stop loss for beginners part of that. I go over stop loss and stop limit in this video. But yeah, this like where this playlist like when it comes to like charting and stuff, show you how to set up the chart and trading view, how to set up the tools, what stocks are or how to find good stocks to trade or like what qualities they are, how to read a candlestick, how to analyze a trend. This is when it starts getting important. Gotta know how to analyze a trend, how to draw trend lines, doing it on a live chart. You got your understanding risk versus reward, where to place a stop loss, where to place your take profit, all that good stuff. I might need to make an updated version of this. It's just my time is. I might have to get into this stuff when I take like my next trip or something, and I can't do the other work I do. But yeah, then after that, it gets to that video that you saw here, and yeah, those are like what I would consider the most like helpful to people kind of starting out on things. If you have a Charles Schwab account, you can use Thinkorswim seamlessly. Yes, and then also if you had Thinkorswim, you got swapped over to a Charles Schwab account because they purchased it. This is on a phone or PC because I was unable to find a platform for my PC. Oh, you're talking about for Robinhood? So Robinhood is called Robinhood Legends. Let me see if I can pull it up. I don't think there's an app. But is there a download? Hold up. So we got Robinhood Legends right here. You got the charts. Let's see. I love that sound that it has whenever you're try to get with it. But they have a platform, but I think it's just online. And you can kind of like set up your widgets and everything. That's just how I have it set up right now. Widgets and watch lists. Okay, hey, we're selling off some more. Kind of. It's like a slow little sell-off day. Jorman said if I may ask, what made you change the hours of the stream? So Jarman, hey, good to see your name again. First off, miss saying your name, but what made me change is I felt like in the morning there was less value provided because like the trades I were taking were, I feel like, lower quality, because it's like it would often be like whenever I was just getting off or right before I got off or like an hour after I got off, that where I'm like, oh wow, there is an obvious like a nice setup right there. And it's like I would get, oh, it's like in the morning, like first thing, it's like there's so much kind of excitement and volatility. I don't normally trade that anyway, and when I do, it usually doesn't go well. So I feel like I am able to provide better, I guess, analysis, better, like be a better example trading at this time as opposed to trading like right at open. So yeah, like with this, it's like just able to find other things like because usually like the market like will kind of set like a range the first couple hours. Wait, hold up. Okay. You said, oh, okay, thank you for the explanation. After a couple thousands and a fake Instagram guru situation, I'm back to sanity. Oh no. Oh no. Well, hey, good thing is you found your way back. But oh no. Where do your travels have you right now, Jorman? I feel like last I heard you were in Mexico. But yeah, glad to have you back in the mix, man. In the USA? Okay. You know, Miley Cyrus says it's a party here. Next month I'm going back to Europe. What's on the itinerary for Europe? There's a bunch of fake gurus out there. For real. Hey, public service announcement. Hey, just know that I'm never going to come at you saying that I can trade your money, that I can grow your crypto or anything like that. Y'all receive any messages like that, it's not me, especially if it's like a DM on Discord. Like, I actually would really love to move away from Discord because Discord's a headache for me. All right, Prague, Rome. I hadn't been to Prague. Rome. I hadn't been to Rome either. Budapest. Oh, that's cool. All with your girlfriend's parents. That's cool. 2 months. That's solid. Last time I was in Budapest, I was there for like a month, but I was sick the whole time, so my experience wasn't the best. But I felt like a baller when I was out there. You know, all those like Hungarian forints. It's like, yo, that's like you pull out $10, yo. It's like, yo, I don't know. I think like $60, like 100,000 Hungarian forint, something like that, or it was depending on the conversion. And it's like, yo, I was balling. And it's like I go to the grocery store with like $20. My goodness, you just got a whole like so much food. Just returned from Egypt last week. That's dope. I think that would be so cool to just go out there and just see like just pyramids just right there in the back. I just made an Egyptian friend last week. Like I think he lived in Europe, or not Europe. He lived in Egypt till he was like 11. And it's like, yeah, it was cool. It's cool making friends. But yeah, travel's cool too. I'm gonna have to get back to it here, maybe towards the end of the year. Yeah, the dollar goes a long way, Long, long way. I was able to go inside a few while I was there. Oh, that's cool. Did you go in like the small crawl spaces? Cause it's like I feel like I've seen videos and it's like, yo, you gotta like hunch down to go in those things. Almost seem kind of claustrophobic a little bit. See how things are looking. It's true. Too bad the dollar goes nowhere in America. Bro, I'm telling you, yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. I got $1 right here. What can I do with it? I can show you guys. I can show it to you guys. I don't know what I can do with it beyond that. I think I don't even remember where it came from. I've had this dollar for like I've had it since I lived next door in my other apartment. And so I've had it for over a year on the cool. And I was like, oh, maybe I'll tip someone with it. But I feel like if I tip somebody with $1, they probably look at me like, bro. Or at least if I did it in person. What platform am I currently using? This is TradingView. You can execute trades from TradingView, but I don't do that. I just use it for charting. But like here are some of the brokerages that you can connect and execute trades from. They also have more. All these brokerages they can connect with, and you can make trades through. I just don't do that. Yeah, they got a lot. But don't want to say nothing, but I'm in a Palantir call, a Lucid call, and a bull put. M-Sense. Do you not hear the is it called an oxymoron? Hold on, I gotta look up the definition of an oxymoron real quick. Make sure I'm using that right. Combines two contradictory or opposite words. Yeah, that's an oxymoron. You got a bull put. You can't get a put on bull, M-Sense. I mean, it happened though. It's overbought. You said I didn't want to say nothing. I was doing well and then stopped doing well and then get out. Oh, it happens. It happens to the best of us. Yeah, I don't think much is going on though. So we're just chilling here having a good time. Perhaps he's referring to a flat line. Wait, hold up. When y'all went to Budapest in Egypt, do y'all speak the language or did you pay a translator or do you go to locals to speak a language? I wanted to go but don't speak. So for me in Budapest, there's a lot of them that speak English. But also my wife is Hungarian, so she speaks Hungarian. So that was my wife speaks like 4 languages. But other places, I think when I went to Portugal, had a friend that was Portuguese. But also you can kind of like if you know Spanish, you can kind of like get in there, but also most of them speak English. A lot of places, a good amount of people speak English. There are times I would like go to stores on my own and like the older people in the countries don't speak English, so I would have to like it's a lot of patience. It's like maybe you pull out the translator on your phone and you're just patience. It's like patience and like soft smiles and whatnot. And you learn like just the basic kind of thing. You learn how to say thank you or say like I don't speak the language very well. Just learn how to say all those things. And it's all good. So perhaps he's referring to a flat line. The fact, okay, bombs. Pulling back on IWM too. The fact is, Egypt has become a tourist location, so naturally, most speak English, especially to make money. Hey, for real. Most places they're gonna speak English. Most places, it may not be the best English, but it's like, yo, they definitely try. But they actually some places they don't like it when you speak their language, and just want to talk to you in English. And then, but most places they like when you try to speak their language. Oh, you got lucky, bro. You hit the lottery. Your wife speaks 4 languages. Thank you for advice. Hey, honestly, if you go find someone in Europe, like if you go meet your wife in Europe, if you're not married, um, there is a good chance she speaks multiple languages, or at least two, but a lot of them speak a lot of languages. Most young people speak English. Pretty much everywhere I've been, people speak English. Yes, enough to understand you. SDEDG, August 15. Let's see. SED or S yeah G. Solar Edge. They sure do look like they can come up again. Yeah, it looks like you got kind of like a bull flag going. That's like a month of time. Let's see. See how much it's going for. For the 15th. And it was the $40 strike. Alright, we'll add it to the watch list. Just to see how it moves. Here, let's real quick, let's see what the move into it looked like. Alright, let's say it tries to replicate this move. How long did this take? This was June 24th to the 3rd. So let's guesstimate like about 10 days. And let's say over a span of 10 days, where's the tool at? Oh, over a span of 10 days, went up $12. So if it goes up another 12, let's say from here, I'll put it at 38.20. Here, let's say 38. Okay, so that's kind of the potential. I mean, it's good potential. not French, you speak French. Oh yeah, and they respond. You speak French in France, and they respond back in English with the attitude. Yeah, French. A lot of. So there's like, I guess, two kind of French people. There's like you either love Americans or you find them annoying, but a lot of them find Americans annoying on the cool. What are your thoughts on AMD pullback? Is this a good spot to buy for the long time? Oh, I would say there's more potential downside here. Let's pull up AMD. That's a good question. Actually, let's see. So oh, I mean, why are these lines so thick? Let me real quick thin that out. Okay, so AMD, honestly, I would think could at least pull back to about this 146 at least, if not like this 137 at some point. But it's approaching, like it's really close to this trend line right here. This was kind of where I was looking for it to come before it had like its large sell off. So I personally think it can still like push up a little bit more before it like really sells off. But I think it kind of just depends. Like once again, like I'm still averaging in every day because regardless, even if it does go up, even if it does go down, it's like if I look a couple years out from now, I see it being considerably higher. So I feel like even a couple years from now, I will wish that I had bought at this price. So I kind of just keep that in mind. But I think there's more potential downside. But I think it could also come higher too. But like I would like to personally see it go up from here to at least like 163, 164 before it has that downside. That's personally what I would like to see, but it doesn't ever make moves just because, oh, this is what Matthew said he wanted to see. So my wife is Belizean. Is that what they're referred to? Belizean? Um, she speaks Creole, Spanish, and I would imagine probably English too. Or does she just speak those and you have to speak to her in one of those languages? Uh, Scott, QS, trading QS since $7, target $20. Oh, that's nice. Man, that play was perfect on the spy. Still, hey, good stuff. Good stuff, Philip. That was a VWAP rejection play 101. Hey, you might have to make a little diagram and shoot it my way. A little screenshot. Romero, what's up, man? It's been a long time. Or actually, I saw you comment on one of my videos like a couple weeks ago, but yeah, we go back, like way 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 back. So yo, happy to catch you on the stream, Ramiro. Um, right now would be a good time to sell cover call. I actually agree with that. Anticipating a pullback. I agree with that. What was I gonna say? Like August historically, especially recently, has been a month of like some solid pullbacks. And what was I gonna say? It's been a month of solid pullbacks, and I don't know. I wouldn't write out pulling back beforehand either, because it's like people like they look at history and the word gets out, and then people try to front run the move. Let's see. Um, are we talking about Palantir? I would say it's been a minute since we talked about Palantir. We talked about Palantir today, but we weren't talking about it just now. Lucky J with the trophies. You know, they ain't got no award for that. There you go, Philip. My fiance is Hungarian. She speaks 3 languages and a great cook. Hey, same here, same here. What is your favorite Hungarian dish? Um, hmm. My favorite? I I wouldn't necessarily. I'm not sure if you would categorize it as a dish, but I like langos. Like I like I'm a I really like langos. My wife, she'll make like she'll make some things. I'll just eat it. I don't even like really pay attention. It's like a lot of like I don't know. It's a lot of savory stuff though. I would say it's all good, but a lot of savory stuff. What about you? I know when I was out in Hungary though, I was or honestly anywhere in like the Hungary, the Germany kind of places, I gravitate like if I'm somewhere trying to order something, I usually gravitate to the like schnitzel kind of thing. I don't know. All right. So brother, always mad love. Wishing you everybody here the best game. Hey, same to you, family. Same to you. You think Lucid can get to? You talking about today? I mean, I there is nothing that would make me think that would happen. That would be a breakout move. So if you see some kind of catalyst for that, yes, but just kind of with today's price action, it looks more like it's like a consolidation kind of chill day. So I'm gonna say not without a catalyst, because that's not even in the range for the day. The volume's like extra low today too. Looking at it, SoFi calls anyone. I got SoFi shares. I honestly I would like to see SoFi down like a lot more, but honestly, they got some good stuff on the horizon for them. It's like I just want to accumulate shares, but I have only traveled to Central America and South America. I don't think I've been to Central or South America yet. Wait, is no, I'm in North America. Let me look at what is considered to be Central America real quick. I don't think I've. Let's see. Yeah, I have not been to Central America. Just had to make sure. I was like, yo, I was like, I think I'm in North America, but you know, sometimes you gotta double check. All the countries that they speak English or Spanish as its native language, but you're right. I got to go to Europe to find it. Hey, yeah, it's like I would say like if you want some more like traditional ideals from what actually I don't know, it's like the world is becoming what's considered to be westernized. I was gonna say if you want some more traditional ideals though, I find a lot of European women are a little bit more traditional and kind of I guess submissive. I don't know, but it really just depends on what you like. I hate that you can't get icons on the computer, only on the phone. When you say icons, what do you mean icons? Got into... Oh, okay. I have a $3 call on Lucid because I was watching other traders say it could earlier today. That's the catalyst. Oh, okay. Who's the other trader? You said, do you think the SPY will go down by end of the day or upward? Right here, honestly, this looks like this looks like something that would actually send it up. Like I could see the SPY like slowly moving up on a day. I could see it like maybe coming back up to this 628. Then if it's still going, cause there, I don't know, something I'll see like a good amount is kind of like this. Like you see how we got like this kind of like rounded. I'm not sure if this is like I don't know. I'm not sure if this is a real pattern, but it's like I see this all the time, and then this will end up. It's almost like a double bottom, but this ends up like completing this side of the bottom is like deeper. So you might be able to call it a double bottom. I'm like not like too crazy with chart patterns, but I often see this like bowing up, so it might be maybe if you get like a something like far out of the money, maybe if you got like a $28, what are the $28 calls going for? Once again, I'm like I would go for it if I didn't want to waste a day trade, but I actually think that could pay. Because it looks like we are not really making progress to the downside anymore. Yeah, it's like $28. I think there's a chance to make profit on that. All right, let's see. Oh, I can see the icons. Yeah, I can see them, and I can type them on the computer too. Like I got a little button that'll like pop up the little keyboard. Bro, I'm going to find a Hungarian wife now. Y'all convince me hands down. Europe, here I come. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to be Hungarian. It's like there are a lot of countries out there. A lot of countries. I didn't go to Europe to find my wife. I met my wife in the taco line at college. So, you know, it can happen anywhere. And it's like we have so many people over here. Or a lot of people come over here. So it's like, yeah, just keep your eyes open, you know. But if you go over there, it might be easier because like you know, foreign is attractive to people or some people, but it can also be hard. Like when you're not in your, like I'll say for me personally, like as a man, I feel weird, like not being in control of the situation or not having the awareness of everything. Like it's like here I have the level of comfort. It's like I know what's safe for my wife. I know like what's sketchy and what's not. I know like I know how to finesse situations, and I know where and how to get what I want. I know like I know how to get what I want. And it's like it's not a good feeling when I'm not the one that can be the one speaking all the time. So it's like, oh, I don't like to just some situations I like to take the back seat, but nah, I don't like to just take the back seat for everything. What? Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a button you can click for it. Also, you can make them with your symbol. Hey, that's the classic, making them with your signals. Emoji. I mean, you can't create an emoji on the CPU only. Oh, you mean making? Okay, I got you. Jamie, if everything fails, we will always have Asia. There's Asia. Um, you got Asia. I think you got some. There's Antarctica too. We got plenty of different continents out there. I like the chicken pepper. Okay. Yeah, that's like something my wife made all the time. My wife loves like the no kidley. Yes, my wife makes that all the time. I like the smoked goods, sausages, double smoked. I don't. Oh yeah. Okay, I was about to say. I was like, I don't have much bacon, but then you said in the lingo, it's just like yes. All right, was that supposed to be goulash? I actually haven't had the goulash, but my wife says she doesn't like goulash, so yeah, I haven't had goulash, but she also doesn't think I'd like it either. So, do you have videos showing how you started trading and whose course you bought? Um, I guess kind of. When it comes to whose course I bought, did I buy a course? I took a mentorship for sure. I took a mentorship, but on the cool, I had already I already knew everything that I knew in the mentorship. There was one thing that I didn't. No, actually I did. It's just the only thing is the mentorship kind of like helped me see it in a different kind of way. It's like I already like the thing, for instance, like how I target the liquidity. It's like I knew what it was called, and I knew what it was. But he was trying to teach people in there like who like knew absolutely nothing at all about trading. So he just called it a first low. And it's like I talked to him on a in a later point in time. And it's like I'm like, yo, this is just this and this, and he's like, yeah. I'm like, hey, I mean, it was helpful to me because it like helped put together that it's like, oh, I kind of already know everything, but I kind of already knew everything, but it was good. It's just like, yo, don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. That's pretty much what I took about it. You said UNH running. I'm gonna need that to chill out. Oh, okay. It caused some liquidity at the bottom. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need that to. Yeah, that's on a day trade basis. Okay. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna need UNH to calm down. Here, let's see. Lucky J. I was responding to the chat. I can't get that 650 too high for me. What are we talking about? Hold up. Did I miss something? All right. Guess I'm door dashing this weekend. Green on Lucid, but super red on Palantir. Not even going to talk about how Red Bull is. My wife is Filipina. That's from the Philippines. I gotta get out there too. Goulash is awesome, but a little hard on it. It's hard on the stomach. Yeah, I hope UNH is just running on a day. I hope this like 4 hour trend continues. Cause once again, I want UNH down here. I hope this is just like a kind of like a relief move. But on that's the 2 minute. I think I'll give it up to this 286, and then we'll call it a day. Has a how to get started on Weeble to trade video. So did you learn on? So I learned on YouTube for the most part. I bought a couple books, but I would say the books that I used and the information in them, I wouldn't even call them that relevant. Like it's like I feel like the books were really specific and good, but I don't feel like the information in the books are what really works. So it's like, yeah, I found like my best information and whatnot on uh on YouTube, and I think the biggest kind of help for me was when I learned market structure. So it's called market structure. This just helps you like really just know the trend. And then after that, it's like just market structure, supply and demand, and then support and resistance with like trend lines and stuff. It's like I can be dangerous with all those. And honestly, like trend lines and supply and demand, if you take that up to like a weekly or monthly and you're not like trading at a high frequency, you can that can make you a lot of money if you're just like, say you only wanted to make a couple trades a year. We were talking about my crown points. Oh, yeah, Big Reg has taken the crown. Oh, that's kind of crazy. Okay, I see some of the points going up. I see the points going up. We got 43 people on the list. Okay. I recommend Colombia, the city of Cali, or the capital of Bogota. And trust me, bro, I know I feel about taking the back seat. It feels weird not being. Hey, I definitely, yeah. No, yeah. I think the hardest part for me, like just traveling over time, is like once again, like my humor. It's like you kind of have to listen, and you kind of have to be like, oh, there has to be a level of wit there, and it's like you don't necessarily understand that like through language, because like the jokes and the things, it's like everything is like very literal whenever you're dealing with different languages. So it's like I can still like laugh and have a good time with people, but it's like very like surface level, and it's like tough a little bit. Anyone want to see what's up with MSTR? Let's see. MSTR. Are they popping right now? Oh, hold up. Let's look at them over here. It's a good little pullback back there. They're at the 48 EMA. What's Bitcoin looking like? Maybe they're issuing more shares. Let's see. Coinbase stock and Robinhood rise. Yeah, I have no idea there. That's kind of steep though. Sorry for. Oh, no, no worries, Romero. I'm not in it yet. It would just make me a little sad because I didn't get my entry. Goulash sounds like what they'd serve at Alcatraz, but I know that's just my Americanized ears. Oh, oh, M Sense. Savage. I need videos on these things. I made a video on market structure. I would say honestly it's not good. Um let me see let me see if I can find the channel that I watch. I want to say it's called like Prosperity Academy. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, whenever I learned market structure, it was this YouTube channel and it was like I think the videos were older, but it was like one of these like the ultimate market structure course. I guess he changed his name. It used to be called Prosperity Academy. I think now it's Lewis Kelly. So I think he makes the same video over and over again. So it probably gets better. And I'm sure he has a course and stuff. But this is where I learned market structure before I paid for the the mentorship, which kind of taught the same thing. So that's one of my that's where I learned market structure. I think one of the most critical skills, and I think he teaches better than I could have on the subject, or I find the way he taught it to be better, but I can see why because he teaches it over and over and over again. But yeah, that's not like just like a quick like, oh yeah, let me just pick this up one time and like do it. Like a lot of these videos I do, I can just say, oh, I want to talk about this today. But nah, that you need like preparation, figure out what order you want to go over things. 85, like, hey, we're at 88. Hey, we might be able to free ourselves from Alcatraz again. All right, I'm going to do it again. Wolf call. Oh, is oh, okay. I hope it pays off. Hope it pays off. Philip, let's see. Wolf. 450 strike. I mean, it's already above, but it's in the money. You lost yours. Hey, you got back. Hey, you got back to number two. They said Naomi. They said you were. They said it's been too long since you commented. But hey, back in the mix. All right. I feel like I need to stop taking later contracts. Um, so on days like today, personally, unless I see like a sweep of I would need to see like something. I need to see like a perfect scenario for me to do something like that. So I would probably need to like say there was like I don't know. Oh, so they're way down here. There is some liquidity. Like the other day, we came really close to it. I'm still convinced this hasn't been swept because it came like right within the area. We still kind of went up from it, but I still think it could eventually be swept. So let's say unless we came down below something like this and then we were oversold on the RSI and then we also had volume coming in, I'm probably not like getting anything later on a Friday. It's like I would need to see some kind of situation like that. Jamie, Vietnam is crazy and Thailand is amazing too. Have to be careful in Thailand. You look at a girl too much, she will come to you and say hi, what your name is. Yes, and also, and in Thailand, you gotta. It's not always a girl. I haven't been to Thailand, but I do know that. Like, and no matter how much like a girl it looks, It is not always a girl. But yeah, they are I hear they're very aggressive over there. How long did I receive mentorship? I think it was like over a maybe a 5 week period. Here, I'll like drop the dude's I'll drop his he has an Instagram. Let me see. Let me what's his here, let me go to Instagram real quick. Cause he works on Instagram. You can see like he's a good trader. He's like does a lot of day trades and stuff. But here, let's see. I'll drop the link to his YouTube or his Instagram. He has a YouTube channel too, but he does like he shares all his stuff on Instagram. Like his funnel is really on Instagram. So there's his Instagram. And yeah. What's crazy is like I used to follow him. Like I like yeah, I used to like there was like a trading group that I had paid for. Like if any of y'all ever heard of Kelly OG, and he was one of the traders in there. And this dude was like, yo, he was like making like he was always making like these crazy plays and just making crazy money and whatnot. And I'm like, wow. And then like that trading group had to like break down, and I was like, yo, I'm like, that's crazy. And so it's like I followed him on Instagram because he like shouted himself out in the group. And then like I followed him, and then when I followed him, he DM'd me. And then like I looked at the messages between us. I'm like, yo, we have messages here? And he's messaging me. He's like, yo, I just wanted to say thank you. And it's like he got into options because of me. But then he got like way, 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 way better than me. And it's like, oh. So then I took his mentorship. I'm like, okay. He kind of put it together for me. But yeah, he knows a thing or two. Does a good job kind of simplifying it, giving y'all some structure and whatnot. Keep swinging 5-5:30. Wish you and your wife a great weekend. Hey, I wish you a great weekend too, Eddie. Oh yeah, I can hear her like making food right now. Don't know what she's making, but I hear it. Took a contract, made me focus on that. Think I'm gonna have to get back to my sniping ways. Oh yeah, cause you're trying to swing right now. I think it'll be easy to swing once we get like a solid pullback, but right now, it's like snipe, snipe, snipe. You said, haha, that's true. Be careful in Thailand. Have you tried futures and Forex? I've done Forex. I got a funded account once, and when I got the funded account, like once I finally got approved, I started trading how I normally did, and then I got like, I lost it like first trade because I like drew down too much. It wasn't even like a crazy drawdown for me, but I drew down more than they allowed, and I lost it. So, oh, if it's like one of those funded accounts, they are scams in my opinion. But hey, good when women just come say, hey, y'all gave me some new goals this year. I gotta go to Asia and Europe. Here in America, that's so rare. Jamie, I really, on the cool, I feel like I want to like I think it would be cool to have like a group of guys that I like check in with too. Like, I don't know how old you are, Jamie, but like when I see people younger than me, or like people that say they want, like they have a hard time with girls, or I'm not saying you said you have a hard time, but you're talking about them not coming up and say hi. I would say they do and will. And I would say there's like a level of energy And then just also like, I don't know. But I will say like they do that here. It just depends on like things, and it's like I would like to share that knowledge and information with I don't know, but it's like, yo, with that being said, that is going to do it for the day. I guess Trump is going to you said okay, no more Thailand. Didn't know about. I mean, Thailand is still cool though. Thailand, or I mean, actually, I haven't been. I'm talking like I've been. I still want to go to Thailand, but with that being said, yeah, let Trump do his thing. We'll see where the market goes today. Yeah, you need to, I guess, put yourself in the right places, in the right spaces. Be somebody who you would want to interact with, and yeah, I don't know. All right, let's see. Have a beautiful weekend. Women do it all of the time. You just have to show interest. Yeah, have a beautiful day. All right. Yeah, so yeah, y'all have a blessed day, blessed weekend. Hope to see y'all next week. Hopefully we have some good setups. I'm not too sure about Monday, but I'm feeling Tuesday. I'm feeling like we'll have something nice in the works. But yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Hold up, I gotta go back a little bit. Peace out, Jorman. Peace out, Amanda. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, Ellie. Peace out, Naomi. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Be Yourself. Peace out, Jamie. Peace out, Imsense. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, Southern Magnolia. Peace out, Anella. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out. Let's see. I miss anybody? I think I got everyone in that section. But yeah, with that being said, if I miss your name, it's not because I don't love you. It's just because I didn't see it. But Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Y'all have a blessed weekend.